Hello there, my name is Niamuda. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you an amazing AI tool that you should be using in 2023 and beyond. And this is called Adobe Firefly. So let's go. So what is Adobe Firefly? It's a new family of creative generative AI model that have come to the Adobe products. It's available in the latest version of Photoshop as beta. It's currently in the beta stage now, and it is very crazy. With this AI tool, you can generate just anything, right? So just sign into your Adobe account. I'm going to be using the website, so I'm going to go to firefly.adobe.com. All right, so go to firefly.adobe.com. I'm going to put this right now in desktop mode. All right, so if you look at it very well, you can unlock your imagination with Adobe Firefly. You can create just about anything. So currently, the ones that are available on the website is text to image generator, generative fill, and text effects, and then generative recolor, which is this guy here. All right, currently 3D to image is in exploration, and image extension is in exploration. It's coming out. They're going to roll it out very soon. So let me just show you some of the things that this wonderful guy can do here. So let's go to image to text generator first. So when you get here, you just go right here, as you can see this guy here, right, this guy here. So that's exactly where you are going to type your text. So go right there and type your text. What image do you want to generate? All right, I want to generate cute green alien. All right, so you click on generate. All right, so when you click on generate, you wait for it, and it's going to generate for you exactly the image or the description you have put in there. All right, you can see this cute guy here. Okay, high resolution. All right, so apart from that, you could see there are other settings you could do, like you could you could actually work on the aspect ratio. All right, so do you want it to be square, or you want it to be something else? So if you click on this guy here, you could see landscape, portrait, widescreen, and all that. Let me click on widescreen and show you. Now it's going to regenerate again and put your result on a widescreen just because you choose widescreen like that. All right, and it's working on that. All right, there are other options here which you can see. Are you seeing this now? There are other options here, which is like you have if you want to add, if you want it to be just none, or you want to add photo, you want to be photo or graphics or digital art, all these guys, there are different options you could use. You could want to work on the lighting. You want it to be okay, maybe none, backlighting, dramatic, and all that. All right, you could click on all this effect, and it will be affected in your results. It is very beautiful. It's very beautiful. So any text you just want to generate, just go over right there, and once you are done typing, which is I want to type now, just go ahead and type in something, Spider-Man in New York City. Alright, so once you are done typing exactly what you want, what you do now is to click on generate right here. You can see it now. Click on generate right there. So that's generate there. Right, so this generate here. So once you click on generate, it will help you to generate your stuff for you. So let's go again. Alright, so let's go and see exactly what's going to happen. It's going to generate exactly the description that you have made there. Now this is nothing even compared to the generative fill guy. Alright, so that is just work on it, and then when you want to download it, for example, I wanted to download this guy. You click on it, right, and then you see the download icon right there. That's the download icon. I see that now. That's the download icon right there. You click on it, and then you're able to download your stuff directly to your phone or to your device. All right, so that is that. So let's go now to this other option right here. This is one of the beautiful things that Photoshop have done, Adobe have done now, and you need to take advantage of AI to make your work easier. You can generate just anything. You can see just anything. Just go ahead and type what you want, and then it will be generated for you. Beautiful. So let's go click here, and let me show you what I'm clicking right now. Right, click on that place right there, that arrow right there. All right, click on it. It's going to take you back. So let's come to generative field now and see the beauty of it. So I've clicked on generate now. Now there are several images here you can use to test what you want to do, but you can also click here to upload your own image. All right, if you have a customized image you want to work on, you could also click on this guy here, upload, and upload it. All right, but for the sake of learning, I don't want to upload any image right now. All right, so even self, let's upload so that it doesn't look like we are just doing our own stuff. All right, so let me show you a little about this image that I just downloaded from FreePic now. All right, it's loaded now. So this is the image, right? Sorry about that. Let's take it. Let's play it. All right, so this is the image. You can see that in this image there's a young man, yes, with a mind smile, and with object in his hand. Now look at what I want to do. Now I want to change the background of this image. So if I want to change the background, I'm going to click on insert. All right, make sure that it is insert. Make sure that it's in insert. Make sure that this guy is in add. So there's something I want to add now, so make sure that this guy is in add here, right? So I will just go over here, and I would just make sure that I try to touch all the backgrounds. It may not be so perfect, but just make it feel that you are actually touching all the background. Okay, so let me just show you. So I have highlighted now all the backgrounds. All right. All right, so now I'm going to give a command. All right, so I'm going to give a command right here. I'm going to go over here now. Yeah, where are you? So I'm going to go over to this place right here, and I'm going to type what I want, the kind of background I want. So I'm going to say, okay, Dubai. All right. Now I'm going to click on generate. Now it's going to change background to Dubai. Okay. Watch and see the magic. So that's just this powerful stuff here. So it's working on it. And you know what? It's going to give you options. And you'll be able to choose what you want. You're going to choose what you want. So it's loading. It's taking so much time, but it's loading. this guy should save our time. All right, so these are the challenge. These are the various. Excuse me. So these are the various background that have been generated right here for this particular image. You can see. All right. You can see that now. So assuming I wanted to change this guy's church, all right, I could go over here, and then I'll click on keep. Keep means that you like the background that that have been generated, and you want to keep it. Okay, so I'll click on keep right here, keep. Okay, then I'm going over now, and I'm going to add, click on add, and then I'm going to touch the shirt now. All right, so I want to change the guy's shirt. All right, as you can see, the guy was putting on something like a khaki material or something like that. So, but I want to change the shirt. Okay, so I'm gonna go over here and I'll say red suit. All right, so no. Let's say red jacket. All right, and click on generate and wait for the magic to happen. So this is generative fill. So this is what happens. Wait for it. Now this guy shirt is going to be changed to a red jacket. And it's going to change in such a way that it will look cool. So you can actually do this, do this, do this. Think about it. This is amazing. This is amazing. So I could actually even change the hat. I could keep it, or I could remove it. So let's go back. Let's go and work on this image. All right, so let me try this example one more time. So this is a beautiful lady, and look at the background. So I want to change her shirt first. All right, I want to change her shirt. So I'm gonna touch all these areas here. Right, touch all these areas. All right, so I'm going to give her a purple suit. All right, I click on generate, and then it will be generated for me. All right, within a few seconds, you wait for it and it will be generated. So this is beautiful. It's a beautiful stuff here. So you can actually choose the various options that you have here. You can choose, as you can see. All right, so assuming I wanted to change the background, I could go ahead and keep, and I'll go over to the background. Right, I'll go over to the background and I'll just make sure you just use your cursor to just touch maybe all the parts where you know that the background is. All right, so once I've done that, what you want to do now is I want to change to school environment. All right, once you have done this, type in, just go over here, go over there, and then you click on generate. Sorry, click on generate like this. So click on generate. All right, so I'll click on generate now, and the environment is going to change, which is the background of the lady is going to change now to a school background, and it's going to give you different options where you can whereby you can choose what you want. Okay, like this. It's going to look so real like this. I've seen that now. You can even get more. So if you click on more, you are going to be given more options. Okay, click on more. I mean this guy here. This guy here. When you click on more, it will give you more options to choose, like you've got now. You see, all right. Look at that. So you can, when you're done and you like what you see, Like this one now, if you like it, you just click on keep. This is it. So click on keep. All right, so once you click on keep, it's going to stay. Then the next thing you want to do, if you want to download it now, the next thing you want to do is to click on download. Sorry. All right, so when you click on download, you're going to be seeing this stuff here. All right, when downloading content, blah 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 blah, content credential will be included. All right, so no problem, just go ahead and click on download and your content is going to be downloaded. As you can see there now, and it's going to be in high quality. I seen that now. So whatsoever you're downloading, it will be high quality, and this is the watermark they're adding. Right, and for now the image generated are not for commercial use, but this is beautiful. It's still in a beta. It's still in a beta stage, so I believe that when this whole thing is done, then you'll be able to use it for your projects without being like now you can see it's still in the beta, right? Okay, so that is it. So let's go back and see the last guy we'll be checking today. So let's go back to, all right, so we're going to stop at test effect now. So this is test effects. So for test effect, you're going to see a lot of effect right here. All right, you're going to see a lot of effect right here. So as you can see, very, very beautiful beautiful effects you are seeing here. So I want to use this balloon guy. All right, so once you want something, just click on it. Once you click on it, anything you have here, anything you have written here is what is going to be displayed in this dashboard here in the canvas. So for now it is Firefly. So you could change the font. So I can click view all to change the font. I see that you could change the font to anything you want, anyways. All right, so once you are okay with the font, you can see you can change the texture. So all right, so that is it. So once you're done, you want your words to be changed. So I can come here, I can say okay, anything you want. So let me say 100k. All right, so that's what's going to be fitted now, 100k, as you can see there. So when you are done, you can click on this, go back, then you check the background right here. So you see I can change the background. You can see it's changing, or you can put a transparent background like this. All right, so like this, so that is when you download it. When you are done, you just come over to where you have download here. When you're done editing, click on download, and it will be downloaded. I see that now. You continue download, and then your test effects will be downloaded almost immediately to your device. As you can see it right here. I see that now. All right, so this is in PNG, so that watermark does not really affect it. So this is just a little highlight on this powerful AI that Adobe has just rolled out, called Firefly. All right, it's very beautiful. Okay, so there are other options that we're going to be trying later in another tutorial, but for the meantime, I want you to try and see what you can do with this, and it's very, very beautiful. It's very, very beautiful. Don't forget to like this video, and tell me the interesting part about that got you blown away. My name is Niamoda, and I'm going to see you in another tutorial. Welcome to the world of AI. Thank you so much for watching.